Hello everybody and welcome to Discovery Club. Today we will be making Valentine slime. So for this project you need white glue, water, food coloring, baking soda, saline solution, and a container. And then you can add glitter or beads if you want as well. The first thing you want to add is 1 1/4 cup of white glue. Next, we're going to add 1 cup of water. And then we'll add our red food coloring. Now add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and stir it in. This will determine the slime's thickness. Last, we'll add 2 tablespoons of saline solution. Stir this in quickly. The slime will begin to form and pull away from the sides of the bowl. The saline solution will determine your slime's stickiness. Once the slime has started pulling away from the sides of the bowl, take it out and knead it in your hands for a few minutes. After a few minutes of kneading, your slime should be a little bit less sticky, and you've now completed your Valentine slime project.